So this is what I do. This is what I do. Ready? So I have my kids. I get done with my yoga karate class. Then the gym is over here, and then there's a hallway, and then they're all the way on the other end is their classroom. So a hallway to preschool kids is what? Right, exactly. So this is what I do when the kids know. If you want to keep your stamp, walk in the hallway. If you want me to walk into your classroom, get a paper towel, wet the paper towel, and wipe your stamp off, run in the hallway. Then I take a step back and I go, show me what you want. So where's the responsibility? On them. And I expect to be tested because I live in the real world. So the alpha goes and he books it down the hallway, and I call his name, and then I catch him up halfway. I'm not, and no negativity. That doesn't exist in my world. Why? So I'm like, oh, how was class? You did such a good job. I love that you were helping. I love that you did such. And we run into the class, and you were amazing. Everything's fantastic. I love when you were being such a good helper and helping out. Now next week you'll get to keep your stamp when you walk in the hallway. High five, good job. I wipe their hand off. They look at me like this, but they're happy. They're like, yeah, we're in the hallway. I got the consequence. I'm done. That makes sense? So now you talk to the child, and you think about what are the activities or what are the behaviors that you don't want them to display. And what I do is go like this. Did you love your show? Did you love your climbing show? Did you love your doing this and doing that? The kids obviously are going to love it because they know how to get attention. Then you say to them, listen, on the days that you want to do the show, like, could you find 5 minutes in your day to let them do the show instead of the half hour or the hour of time together that you're going to need to stop them and chase after them and this and that? So you take 5 minutes, you let them do the show. Then you see on the days that you want to do the show, be a helper, help me set up a snack, help me put the cots out, this and that. On the days that you don't want to do the show, run, hit, pull, throw, and you go through the behaviors so that it's up to them. Does that make sense? And then just expect to be tested, and then tell them that they don't do the game, but let them do the game first so they can feel it. Does that make sense?